Good afternoon to all. Welcome back to my channel. Hi, this is Manoranjan Show. Today, we are going to solve the introduction to Internet of Things, week 5, assignment 5, which last date is 26 February 2025. So, we can go to the site. You can see, guys, this is Swayam NPTEL Introduction to Internet of Things. Now, you can see there are near about 15 questions, and out of this 15 question we will try to attempt this 15 question one by one. So let's start the first question here with explanations. Which of these following each are current challenges in IoT? Challenges in IoT, Internet of Things. First one is large scale of cooperation. Second is global heterogeneity. Third one is both A and B, neither A and B. So the option C, large scale of cooperation and global heterogeneity, is a big challenges in IoT. You can see here what happens actually. IoT faces challenges related to a large scale of cooperation due to vast number of interconnected devices. So many interconnected devices are there. That's why a global heterogeneity exists with different device manufacturers, communication protocols, and software ecosystems. That's why it is a very big challenges. One option C is the right answer. Moving to the question number 2, state true or false. Statement 1 is interoperability is not a characteristic of product system. Okay, so it is a false statement because see why it is a false statement, because the key characteristic systems allows different devices software to work together seamlessly. That's why it is a false statement. Okay, moving to the question number 3, interoperability is required because why it is required there are different programming languages. Yes, there are different communication protocols, definitely. So both A and B, okay, both A and B, I'm just giving you, it is essential due to the variation of a programming language, communication protocol, ensuring seamless integration of IoT components, every IoT components. That's why interoperability is required, okay, as the different programming languages and different communication protocols. Moving to the question number 4, state whether the following statement is true or false. Statements: use of different programming language such as JavaScript, Python, Java, and other is an example of a heterogeneity in IoT. This brings in the need of interoperability. Okay, so especially this is a true statement for option B. For option B, you can see for option B, it is a true statement because the presence of a multiple programming language to create heterogeneity requires interoperability to ensure smoothly functioning, easily functioning. Okay, without any hesitation, it can function very smoothly. That's why it is a true statement. Moving to the question number 5. Again, true or false statements. The statement interoperability between devices and device users in terms of message format is called systematic interoperability. It is a systematic interoperability. It is a false statement. Okay, it is a false statement. We will also give the explanation why it is a false statement, because the correct statement is syntactic interoperability, not a systematic. This is syntactic interoperability, which refers to the ability to different system to exchange data structure format. Okay, that is called syntactic interoperability, not systematic. That's why it is a false statement. Okay, that's why it is a false statement. This one, guys. Okay, syntactic interoperability, not systematic. That's why it is a false statement. Moving to the question number 6. What is the full form for UMB in IoT interoperability? Universal metadata, no. Universal main bridge, no. Universal main bracket, no. It is a none of these. The main full form of a UMB in IoT interoperability is question number 6. There is no standard IoT terms known as UMB related to interoperability. There is no standard IoT terms known as UMB related to interoperability. That's why none of this is the most suitable answer. Moving to the question number 7. Question number 7. Arduino is an open source electronic programmable board. Yes, it is interoperable. That's why it is a true statement, because see, the Arduino is an open source electronic platform based on simple hardware and simple softwares. That's why it is a open source electronic programmable board. So 7 option A is the right answer. That is true. Moving to the question number 8. State true or false. Additional electronic circuit are essential to load a program into the Arduino controller board. Additional required or not? Additional required, not additional, not required. Why additional not required? Because a Arduino can be programmed directly via USB, universal serial bus, without any additional circuit. Okay, so without any additional circuit. Okay, that's why this is a false statement. Moving to the question number 9. Arduino Uno has dash number of digital input output pins. How many numbers of digital? You can see also on the side there are must be 14 number of digital input output screen. 14 number of digital output screens are there. The Arduino Uno board has 14 digital input output pins. Okay. Moving to the question number 10. Okay, program is there. So what happens in the programs? It is mentioning that how many times it will be blinks with number of ms on and how many numbers of ms it will be off. So after compiling this program, you can see that it is a blink 3 times with 100 ms or 1000 ms ons and 500 ms offs. You can see a clear explanations here. You can see after running this, you can see the loop inside setup. Okay, the loop inside setup makes LED 3 times with a 1 second on and 0.5 seconds, means 0.5 half a seconds off. Since loop does not nothing, so the blink stops after 3 cycles. After 3 cycles, it will be stopped. It will be stopped. That's why blink 3 times with 1000 ms on and 500 ms off. So which one is this? This is option A. A blink 3 times with the 1000 ms on and 500 ms off. Okay. 10 option A. Moving to the question number 11. How many types of loops will you find in Arduino programming? How many types of loop? 3 types of loop. There is 3 types of loop. What are those loops? That's loops are, you can see, that is for loop, while loop and do while loop. Okay, Arduino support 3 types of loop: for loop, while loop and do while loop. So 11 option C is the right answer. Moving to the question number 12. Choose the right option for if or conditional operator. If or conditional operator. So conditional operator, you can see in here 12 options. A, conditions statement 1 or statement 2. This is the correct syntax for ternary conditional operator in C-based programming. That's why you can see option A. Option A is the right answer. Okay. This is the correct conditions options for if and conditional operator. Okay. 12 option A. Moving to the question number 13. What is the purpose of calling DHT begin in the setup function? What is its purpose? Its purpose is to start communication with the DHT sensor because it can call. So the DHT.begin initialize the communication with the DHT sensor to start the temperature and humidity reading. Okay? And humidity reading. So 13 option B is the right answer. Moving to the question number 14. What is the functions is used to read the humidity value from the DHT sensors? Read value. So how it can be read? It can be read with the help of DHT.read humidity, open bracket and closing bracket. Okay. Then you can see, guys, this one, question number 14. Okay. Question number 14, option C. Question number 14, option C. The function read humidity is used to fetch, means to retrieve the humidity data from the DHT sensor. Okay. Next, moving to the last question. What is the function is used to set the servo motor to a specific angle? What is the function? What function is used? What function is used? Which type of function? The function is used, that is servo demo.write. Servo demo.write. You can see the write function. Servo demo means the write function. This function, servo demo.write function, is used to set the servo motor for a specific angle. So 15 options is the right answer. 15 option C is the right answer. Now I'm going to submit the answer. Okay. Now I'm going to submit the answer. You can see, guys. Thank you for taking the week 5 assignment. Your answer are successfully submitted. Okay. We also explain the clear. Once again, we have to verify the answer. 1 option C, 2 option B, 3 option C, 4 option B, 5 option also B, 6 option D, 7 option A, 8 option B, 9 option C, and 10 option A, 11 option C, 12 option A, 13 option B, 14 option C, and 15 also option C. Okay. So successfully attend all the week 5 assignment, and very soon we're going to produce the week 6 assignment 6 solutions in my next video. So if you like this video, you can share with your friends and colleagues, and any questions, any doubt, or any modification if I made during the sessions, I definitely update in my YouTube comment sections. And also, if you have any questions, you can put your comment, your questions in my YouTube comment box. Okay, after you will reply within 24 hours. Okay, so till then, prepare yourself. All the best for your exam.